Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the top 3 best budget cameras for vlogging that won't break the bank, but will still deliver the goods. We all know that a solid camera is key to vlogging success. But if you're just starting out or watching your wallet, finding the perfect fit can feel like a challenge. No worries though, we're here to help you kickstart your vlogging journey with a camera that's got your back and your budget. Let's get into it. The first camera we chose is the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. We picked it as the best camera for travel vloggers. As you may have guessed from its name, this combo is designed with everything a content creator could need. One of the first things you'll notice about this camera, and probably where DJI got their inspiration for its name, is that it's small enough to fit in your pocket. With dimensions of 140 to 35 millimeters and a weight of 179 grams, it's so easy to take this camera anywhere. Having this little baby in your pocket, you won't ever have to worry about missing out on a great vlogging opportunity. Now let's discuss the video quality. The camera produces somewhere between what you would get with a premium smartphone camera and an APS-C mirrorless camera. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor and can record at 4K 120 frames per second. It's all quite impressive for a camera at this size and price. It also has a really nifty touchscreen that flips horizontally and vertically, which is such a great feature for creating both long and short-form social media content. You can frame it vertically for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and TikToks, and horizontally for long-form video content and detailed vlogs. Now, as I said, this camera was designed for travel and vlogging, and its Osmo Pocket 3's advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization delivers superb stability so you can capture quality footage wherever life takes you. The Active Track 6.0 feature is another standout, as it helps keep you in focus throughout your shoot. This is especially useful if you don't have a second shooter. Simply set the camera up on a tripod, and it essentially takes on the role of one. The camera will track your movements, ensuring you're always in frame. It also has an above-average battery life that can go for 166 minutes when continuously shooting in 4K resolution, which is impressive for a compact camera and beats the GoPro Hero 12 and the Sony ZV-1. Overall, because of its versatility, active tracking, and steady stabilization features, the DJI Pocket 3 is the best camera for travel vloggers. The next camera I chose is the Canon EOS R50, which I picked as the best budget camera because of its fantastic video recording ability. You can capture exceptional detail with 6K oversampling, producing 4K uncropped footage at up to 30 frames per second. For those unaware, this process takes the rich detail of a 6K image and condenses it into 4K, resulting in sharper, more vibrant footage. Additionally, you get the flexibility to maintain a full frame without losing any part of the scene. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a DJI X processor. The magic here is really the new DJI X processor. It'll give you a significant improvement in image processing speed and autofocus performance. On the topic of autofocus, which every content creator knows is crucial to creating quality vlogs, the Canon R50 also has dual pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 AF zones. It covers 100% of the frame with edge-to-edge clarity. Plus, you'll also get the benefit of deep learning AI technology for tracking people, animals, and vehicles, which is awesome for any type of action vlog. It also has a cool new close-up demo mode, which allows the camera to instantly snap its focus on any object placed in front of the lens and then back to your face when removed. This is perfect for any type of vlog where you are showcasing products. The audience will be quickly drawn to the product you're talking about, and then back to you in the blink of an eye. Also, with a maximum 15 frames per second when shooting in shutter mode, this camera allows you to capture fast-moving subjects with remarkable precision, making it an excellent choice for action vloggers. This is a remarkable feature for a camera at this price point. The one downside with the R50 is it only has digital stabilization for video and not dedicated in-body image stabilization, which could result in some motion blur when shooting in low light. But that being said, if you want to use a stabilized lens, you should be able to achieve smoother results, especially when you factor in the shutter speed. All in all, because of its close-up demo mode, AI autofocus, and impressive shutter speed, the Canon EOS R50 is the best budget camera for vloggers. The last camera for today is the Insta360 X4 that we chose as the best camera for most people. It has a great price tag, and it gives you 360-degree to recording, which will give you additional behind-the-scenes footage you may want to use later. For starters, this is the only camera we picked that can shoot 8K video, which is honestly probably more than most vloggers need, but it's great to have if you want professional-look recordings with ultra detail that really stand out. You can also use your Insta360 as a wide-angle 4K action camera at a whopping 4K 60 frames per per second, or get super wide views with the incredible 170-degree max view at 4K 30 frames per second. It also has fantastic features like AI editing that allow you to reframe shoots with the Insta360 app in case you aren't happy with your recording results. There is also flow state stabilization and the 360-degree horizon lock feature, both of which help to deliver smoother, more level shots no matter how intense the action is. Now, if you're worried about wear and tear, you'll be happy to hear this camera is protected by Gorilla Glass. With a name like that, you know it's tough. And with its water-resistant rating of IPS, this camera was designed for any adventure. And compared to the Insta360 X3, the X4 has 67% more battery life, so you can capture up to 135 minutes on a single charge. All features aside, the reason why the Insta360 X4 is the best camera for most vloggers is the unmatched versatility it offers. You get 360-degree angles for all your videos, giving you endless creative possibilities. Picture it. You can shoot cool behind-the-scenes footage, or you can experiment with different angles to find the best way to engage your audience with your content. You also get flexible editing options to reframe your shots. And unlike any other camera, if you want to create an immersive vlog with 360-degree storytelling, you can. This is perfect for extravagant events because viewers can pause the video and spin the screen to see what's happening all around them. All in all, because of its limitless possibilities and recording angles, and since it records in 8K, the Insta360 X4 is the best budget vlogging camera for most people. That's it for today, folks. If you guys liked this video or learned something, please give it a like. If you think I missed any great budget vlogging cameras, leave a comment down below and let us know your picks. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the cameras mentioned today. Till next time.